Alright, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Color 160. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the creative flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our free one first. Here's before and here's after. Before and after, really nice tone and color. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Alright, now we're going to go to the creative flow. Here we have all our presets. Down to the film emulation folders, we're going to find the Kodak inspired, and all the way down to Portra 160 film. Give that a click. Cool thing is you can always adjust it here, so we don't necessarily need all that. Let's go right to 70. It looks nice. And here we have our profile. So you also get a profile here. You can use this to intensify the look or use it on its own. Let's say you already have a photo with a lot of grain. You can just use a profile to bring in those colors. The other cool thing is you can always mix and match with profiles. So we've got chroma profiles here. Let's take a look. And I'm liking the 35 mil here. Different variations. Gives it a bit of a moody look. There it's at 100. You can always dial it in or dial it up depending on what we want for our photo. Let's land somewhere right at 40. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before and here's after. Before and after. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset named Color 160, and I'll also put a link to the Creative Flow, which includes over 1200 Lightroom presets and 1200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.